Now, if you have wall tiles that meet floor tiles, you're going to need to seal between them. It's quick and easy to do. Cut a nozzle at 45-degree angle. Start at one end, start to squeeze the trigger and apply this silicone. Once it starts to come out the nozzle, then work your way across the room from one side to the other. Once you've achieved this, get a smoothing tool, wipe off the end of it with a silicone wipe, then place it over the silicone and start to smooth the surface off, creating a nice sealed aesthetic finish. And this same method of sealing can also be applied in the corner of your bathroom walls where two tiles meet. Once it's dry, you can trim off any excessive sealant from the edge of the tiles. And that's how easy it is to seal between wall and floor tiles. If you want to see more how-to videos, check us out on all social media handles and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.